Alright, I'll put the recorder on. And we will get going. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm holding on.
So we tell them about the blue cone.
Yes, and then you turn.
Where you start your turn. And then you want to get next to the orange cone. And then take advantage of the straightaway. And they're using the paddle shifters.
Right.
To shift up. And then the brake's going to be nice and firm. Boom.
All right.
That initial brake is firm, and then I'm just gradually bleeding off. And then I coast, and then I roll back on.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's a fast section right here.
Yeah.
You're always going to feel that firm brake in the beginning. That's what we try to teach them. And then we call this the bowl, down into the bowl. So we're telling them, get close to those orange cones. Get close to the blue turn-in cones. And then a nice smooth arc here all the way around.
Orange, blue.
Yep, turning in at the blue. So they're trying to just connect the cones. But they have to make sure that they're looking far ahead.
Right.
So
right,
it's
right,
not
right.
so it's not a sudden turn into the steering wheel. Sudden input. Firm brake. And then I'm bleeding off the brake pedal and coasting.
Bleeding meaning
Then
not just slowing.
Just slowly releasing it. Yeah.
Well, on a Tesla, you gotta do that to slow down, and there's no brake. You just gotta release the brake, the gas, not gas, but the pedal.
Right.
So that's how they. That was hard to get used to.
Yeah.
It's still not that I have one. I just test real one.
So see, that wasn't that bad.
Oh my goodness! You're a crazy driver. Cool.
Yeah, see?
It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, a lot of fun. The car's really fun to drive and really capable out there on the track.
Yeah. Was that 2 laps already?
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know where it started and ended, so I didn't know.
Yeah, so as soon as we go on, the timer starts.
Uh-huh.
So we go around and then around one more and then exit after that.
Oh my
So.
God. Okay. It's one of those things you say, I did it.
Right. And then you can go tomorrow too.
Oh.
And I took it a little easy because I didn't.
You did not.
Yeah, I actually did. So,
No.
yeah. So tomorrow you could say, okay, I went and I'm good. You could step it up. And not that it may be somebody else that takes you, but.
All right. That wasn't easy. You didn't.
Let me see if I can fit up here.
Oh, yeah. No, that. How'd you do that? Oh, that's pretty good driving.
Well,
Woohoo! Thank you.
I lived in the city, Philadelphia, for a while, so I had to do a lot of parallel parking.
I see. I didn't
And
start
then